Under the supervision of District Administration Imphal West, a joint team of Imphal Municipal Corporation, PWD and Police Department today carried out an eviction drive against structures built over drains and government land along Uripok Kangchuk Road stretch of Nawarimthong area to Maharani Bridge in Imphal. Some unidentified persons planted a Chinese hand grenade at Basikhong Wangkai Laumanbi under Iril Bung police station in Imphal East last night. Reportedly, the bomb was found in front of a grocery shop located near the residential gate of Laren Lakpam Kanta, son of El Sanatomba of Basikhong Wangkai Laumanbi. A CID technical bomb disposal squad defused the bomb around 11:30 p.m. yesterday. Thangmoiban constituency MLA KH Joy Kishan today released a book based on the life and works of Sagol Sem Indramani entitled Nuksiba Lainam during a function held at Khoyathong Puja Community Hall in Imphal. Thoubal Wang Mataba Youth Club today celebrated its 31st Foundation Day. On the occasion, simple gifts were presented to 23 individuals for extending aid to COVID-19 affected families. Carrying forward the postcard campaign against three-language formula of Assam government, indigenous Manipuri people Hailakandi, Assam, Nupalub and Nupilub jointly organized a postcard campaign at Khajaribon, Jalnachera in Assam yesterday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said the Atal Tunnel has not only realized Bharatiya Janata Party BJP leader Atal Bihari Vajpayee's dream, but also has ended the decades-long wait of the people of Himachal Pradesh, a media report said. The Prime Minister made the comments after he inaugurated the 9.02-kilometer long Atal Tunnel, which will connect Manali to Lahaul Spiti Valley in the state. The death toll from the coronavirus disease COVID-19 in India surpassed the 1 lakh mark today, a grim milestone that comes exactly 7 months from the day the first batch of cases were reported in the country. India became the third country in the world to cross this landmark. Only the United States with 2,12,000 deaths and Brazil with 1,44,000 deaths have reported more fatalities, but does so with a significantly better mortality rate than nearly all other countries that have seen large outbreaks.